This video guide is about removing the ransomware called pEaKyBlNdEr. pEaKyBlNdEr. This is a ransomware that affects the majority of files that customers store on their computers. So before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open certain files, well, any files that you like and you want, but regretfully, because of this ransomware and its intrusion into the system, the files pretty soon may be damaged by this particular ransomware. This is the scary message that the ransomware gives. It says something, I guess, in Spanish, and it actually tells that the files have been encrypted and that people need to pay the special ransom to get the files restored. When you try to open some specific file, you get the message saying that the file got encrypted and that you cannot open the file with this extension pEaKyBlNdEr. So, of course, that's a serious problem, and however, you should never pay the ransom, because these criminals tell you to pay the ransom to get the files restored, but paying the ransom surely does not guarantee that the files would be recovered. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the task manager, then look for any suspicious processes that you could find here, right-click on them and terminate them. Then we recommend you to investigate your computer in order to remove this ransomware effectively. To remove the ransomware, we suggest that you use ComboCleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. If you cannot use your browser, your Google Chrome or other browser, you might need to go to the Internet Explorer browser through the Program Files directory. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and start carefully researching your device with its help. So once again, the page to download ComboCleaner antivirus is combocleaner.com. Use this special green button to download the software, install it, and start researching the system with its help. Click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option so far is available. The program begins researching the system, and it will then give you the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scanning. While the scanning is taking place, you could experiment with some of the settings of ComboCleaner. Its anti-ransomware feature allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be always protected against ransomware attacks. So ComboCleaner will then give you the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scanning. It will give you the information about what kind of threats those were. It will also mention to you where exactly these threats are located. And you are strongly advised to upgrade to Premium to remove these threats automatically and to protect all your files from being damaged in the future.